What if the theme you choose could be the difference between making $1,000 a month and $10,000 a month? Most store owners pick a theme because it looks pretty. And that's exactly why 90% of Shopify stores fail. Your theme isn't just about design, it's about conversion, speed, and features that actually make you money. I've tested over 30 Shopify themes and analyzed multiple six-figure stores. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best Shopify themes for 2026. These aren't just pretty themes. These are themes that convert visitors into customers, load faster than your competition, and save you hundreds of dollars per month on apps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which theme is perfect for your store. And at number 1, I'll reveal the theme with the highest conversion rate on the market. Let's dive in. Number 5, Debutify theme. Starting at number 5, we have Debutify. Debutify has over 10,000 reviews on Trustpilot with a 4.6 star rating. And there's a reason for that. It's built specifically for conversion. One-click upsells, scarcity timers, trust badges, cart countdown timers, all built right into the theme. According to Debutify's data, trust badges alone can increase conversions by up to 32%. In my speed tests, Debutify loaded in 1.1 seconds on desktop with a 98 performance score. On mobile, 84 performance score with 2.3 second load time. That's fast. And speed matters because every second of delay costs you 7% in conversions. Debutify offers a 14-day free trial. After that, pricing starts at $39 per month. They also have higher tier plans with more advanced features. The best part? Even the paid plans save you over $250 per month on apps because everything's built in. Debutify is perfect for dropshippers and general store owners who want conversion-focused features without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have Callus. Callus is on Theme Forest, not the Shopify theme store. Over 24,000 merchants use it with nearly perfect ratings. This theme is packed. Over 20 homepage layouts, multiple product page styles, 9+ header layouts, hundreds of customization options. Here's what I love. Product swatches that preview different colors right on the listing page. Ajax filters for smooth shopping. Instagram integration. Sticky add to cart. Free shipping calculator. Smart product upsells. In my tests, Callus averaged 1.7 second loading time. Solid performance. Callus costs $89 for a regular license with 6-month support. If you want extended support for 12 months, add $27.75, bringing the total to $116.75. There's also an extended license for $47.50 if you're building sites for clients. The catch? No Shopify theme store benefits, and you pay extra for long-term support. Callus is perfect for small businesses and startups who want professional features at a startup price. Easy to customize, even without coding skills. Number 3 is Ella, and this is my go-to for fashion stores. Whenever a client wants a fashion or clothing store, I recommend Ella. Here's why. Ella is like having a fashion-forward boutique online. Modern design, eye-catching visuals, fully customizable. Over 37,000 store owners use Ella. It has over 1,100 positive reviews. Ella offers multiple pre-made templates you can import directly. Mobile-first design, because over 50% of e-commerce sales come from mobile. Advanced mega menu, smart filter options, advanced product page features. Because everything's built in, you don't need extra apps. That keeps your store fast and smooth. Ella costs $79 for a regular license with 6-month support. If you want extended support for 12 months, add $24, bringing the total to $103. Incredibly affordable for what you get. If you're running a fashion brand, clothing store, or any style-focused business, Ella is your best bet. At number 2, we have Booster. And this is where things get serious. Booster is trusted by over 40,000 stores. It's proven to convert 277% better than average themes. Let me repeat that. 277% better. Booster comes with over 40 built-in marketing tools. You save over $281 per month on apps. Here's what's included. Frequently bought together. Promotion timer. Recently bought notifications. Smart search. Sticky add to cart. Upsell pop-ups. Currency converter. Countdown timers. And so much more. In my tests, Booster scored 98 on desktop with 1.1 second load time. Mobile scored 84 with 2.3 second load time. Booster offers 80+ pre-made templates across every niche. Food, fashion, health, tech, electronics. Every template is conversion optimized. Now here's the pricing. Booster offers yearly and lifetime options. The yearly license is around $200 per year. The lifetime license is $299, which is a one-time payment and you own it forever. I know that sounds expensive. But you're saving $281 per month on apps. Booster literally pays for itself in the first month. Booster is perfect for serious entrepreneurs scaling their stores. If you want maximum conversions and built-in features, Booster is your answer. And finally, at number 1, we have Shrine. You might be wondering, why is Shrine number 1 if Booster has more features? Simple. Shrine is the highest converting Shopify theme on the market. It's designed specifically for one-product stores and dropshippers, and it's being used by some of the most successful stores right now. Shrine keeps things simple, but deadly effective. Clean, high-converting design. Easy setup, even for complete beginners. Built-in countdown timers, upsell bundles, trust badges, fully mobile optimized. Here's what makes Shrine special. It has over 140 features built in. AI theme builder that creates stores in minutes. Revenue-boosting cart features. And it's 100% native to Shopify 2.0. Shrine has two main versions. The standard Shrine theme is $149 one-time payment. Shrine Pro is $349 one-time payment with even more advanced features. And here's the best part. Use my coupon code ECOMSENSEI at checkout and save 25% on any Shrine theme. That brings Shrine down to around $112 and Shrine Pro to around $262. One-time fee. No monthly subscriptions, and you get lifetime updates. The catch? Shrine works best for focused product stores. If you're running a massive general store with hundreds of products, this might not be ideal. But here's why it's number one. Shrine has the best conversion rate of any theme I've tested. The AI store builder alone saves you days of work. And the built-in features replace thousands of dollars in apps. If you're serious about conversions and want a store that's built to sell, Shrine is hands down the best choice. Let's recap. Number 5. Debutify. Best for beginners and dropshippers. 14-day free trial, then $39 per month. Number 4. Callus. Best for small businesses who want tons of features. $89 one-time payment, or $116.75 with extended support. Number 3. Ella. Best for fashion stores. Mobile optimized and stylish. $79 one-time, or $103 with extended support. Number 2. Booster. Best for scaling stores. Saves you $281 per month on apps. $200 per year, or $299 lifetime. Number 1. Shrine. Best for high-converting stores. $149 for standard, $349 for pro. Use code ECOMSENSEI for 25% off. Here's my honest recommendation. Just starting out? Go with Debutify's free trial or Shrine Standard with my discount code. Running a fashion store? Ella is your best bet. Serious about scaling? Go with Booster Lifetime or Shrine Pro. Remember, your theme is an investment, not an expense. The right theme can literally 10x your revenue. Which theme are you choosing? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips. I've left links to all these themes in the description. And don't forget to use code ECOMSENSEI for 25% off Shrine. Your next six-figure store is just one good theme away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.